This is going to be our prediction for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to those that are yet to subscribe. Like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on those updates. Now let's see what we will be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's start with our trend, right? We are in a ranging market move. It is very clear that Swiss franc JPY is ranging. Now take a look at this movement, guys. Market was push up to target resistance, then a bounce, a rejection was made that dropped price to our support level, right? Now market eventually rejected from this our support level and it rallied back up to tap our resistance. Then we had this rejection that's played out, eventually made market to drop to tap our support. Market then rallied back up and now it has now come back to tap our support level. So with this movement that has given us to tap our support level, we should expect market to bounce, reject, and push up. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So we should expect Swiss franc JPY to push up, to tap this level right here. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. Now let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So this is the 1 hour time frame. We are currently at the support level, guys. So we should be expecting a rejection, a reaction from the support level that will make market to push up to tap our resistance level. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Also follow the Telegram so you would not miss out on any updates.